Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Here are some integers where a is the smallest and d is the largest. When dealing with mode, median, or range, always ensure that your elements are arranged in ascending order, which means smallest to largest. Since a is the smallest and d is the largest, this is a given, we can move on. The mode is the most common element, and this is 9. Since d is the most common element, we can see that d is equal to 9. The median of the integers is 8. When you have an odd amount of elements, you take the middle element, but since this is an even amount, we find the sum and divide by c plus d divided by 2 is equal to 8. Since we already have d, just input it into the equation and we find what c is. So c plus 9 is equal to 16. C is equal to 7. The range of the integers is 4. The range is the largest minus the smallest. Now here we can see that D is the largest and A is the smallest. And since we already have D, we can write here 9 minus A, since we don't know what A is and it's supposed to be the smallest, is equal to 4. We rearrange this and we find out that A is equal to 5. But we still have one more to go. Since these are integers, they cannot be decimal values, so we simply look for the whole number between 5 and 7, which is 6. And that is B. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.